today's interesting topic name is cleaning tools name. So let's learn different cleaning tools name with spelling and pictures. Broom, B-R-O-O-M, broom. Dustpan, D-U-S-T-P-A-N, dustpan. Mop, M-O-P, mop. Bucket, B-U-C-K-E-T, bucket. Sponge, S-P-O-N-G-E, sponge. Rubber gloves, R-U-B-B-E-R-G-L-O-V-E-S, rubber gloves. Dustbin, D-U-S-T-B-I-N, dustbin. Vacuum cleaner, V-A-C-U-M-C-A-E-A-N-E-R, vacuum cleaner. Paper towels, P-A-P-E-R-T-O-W-E-L-S, paper towels. Cleaning spray, C-L-E-A-N-G-S-P-R-A-Y, cleaning spray. Scrubbing brush, S-C-R-U-B-B-I-N-G-B-R-U-S-S, scrubbing brush. Plunger, P-L-U-N-G-E-R, plunger. Stickerer, S-T-E-E-L-S-C-O-U-R-E-R, stickerer. Toilet brush, T-O-R-L-E-T-B-R-U-S-S, toilet brush. Bin bag, B-I-N-B-A-G, bin bag. Soap, S-O-A-P, soap. Tissues, T-I-S-S-U-E-S, tissues. Squeegee, S-Q-U-E-E-G-E-E, squeegee. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos.